Wow. Terra Classic LUNC. Crypto experts calling for Terra Classic Terra to return to $100. Crypto experts calling for Terra Classic to return to $100 price. You know, so many people last year, it was all over the places. People lost so many amounts. I mean, it wasn't easy last year as of May last year, 2022. But since then, the community did not give up. Most of the exchanges did not give up. They were all supporting to see that this coin will still remain, and maybe any possibility to support and push the coin further in order for people to recover. Okay, and Binance CZ has been the champion for this gold. Binance CZ has been the champion for this dream to return Terra Classic back. Or even though Terra Classic did not reach where it was, at least for some people to make back their money even with more higher profits. Recently, Terra Classic community, based on the proposal and the nomination, they actually choose Binance founder CZ to lead that movement that will bring Terra Classic back. I'm so happy that apart from all the exchanges we have, over 600 exchanges, Binance, which is the #1 exchange in the whole world globally, is the one leading this train. So that is why so many experts, so many communities, so many billionaires are all championing, are all pushing for Luna to return to $100. We all know, even right in their hearts, within them, they know that $100 will be difficult. They know that $100 is not possible. But that belief, that trust that we can do it, they believe that there's a tendency we can destroy and burn Terra Classic coins. We want to see only 1 billion coins out there. We want to see just 5 billion coins or 10 billion coins. Normally, as of last year, the target was to have just 10 billion. And with such supply, believe it, there's a tendency Luna can reach back to that $100. And with huge investment, with huge capital being pumping, with huge cash flow, with high demand for Luna, it will even reach that level. That is truth. But we can see the dream. But the journey towards the dream is not easy. It's not an easy one. So this is why experts have been calling out. But let's hope and see, let's say in 2 years, this is 2023, by 2025 ending, let's say in 2 years to come, let's hope and see where Luna will be. Let's take and see the position of Terra Classic. For me, even if I want to sell my Terra Classic, I am going to sell just 60 or 70% of it. I'm not going to sell everything because I still have that huge trust. I still have that belief that this coin can still pump. Binance founder believes so much on this coin. He has been giving on his best. So many crypto experts. Recently, whales are also getting interested. Right now, you might be surprised to hear that whales have actually pumping huge amount of money on Terra Classic. And I'm happy for that. And I'm hoping for that to also happen. Then secondly, there is new Terra Classic 2.0 and some of the latest projects they're actually planning will also helped. But what I'm after is not returning to $100. What I'm after is returning to 1 cent. That is what I'm after. Even though if someone that must have invested $1,000 before, and maybe due to Terra Classic crash, that money went away, if that person can invest $50 right now on Terra Classic and Luna hit 1 cent, the person will make $5,000. You see, you are making over 400% the money you lost before. That is the goal. So we should stop talking about $100. We should be talking about 1 cent. Just as those who must have lost $10,000 should just go ahead and invest $100 or invest $200 back to see they support the champion of the Una Classic. Those who actually lost $1,000 might go back to invest just $50. Well, remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.